Hi everyone, testing Pina Colada from Nature's Garden. See how it reacts in cold processed soap. Fragrance oil's already in the oils. Just adding the lye. Doesn't seem to be accelerating. It's not separating. I've got some bubbles in there. I guess I should be more careful. I can smell the coconut right now. Sure how well, it's staying rather fluid. I need to go to a light trace. Not quite yet. Be a good one to looks like a light trace. Really nice. It's the bubbles. Alright, let's see. Let's see what deep purple does. These are peacock dyes. I haven't tried the deep purple yet. Odd shade of purple. I think this only had 0.5%. That's lucky. Let it get it a little darker. I'll be back. Hi, still working with the Pina Colada. This is part 2. I did pour a little bit in to make a swirl inside. Boy, this does not accelerate at all. Just now trying to put the last of it on, and it's been 5 minutes or better, and I even stick blended some more. And it's still really fluid. Really fluid. Right now the scent's pretty strong. I can smell it. It smells like coconut and pineapple. It smells like Pina Colada to me. Try to fluff it up a little bit. Maybe if I figure all this out, I can show a picture of it cut. Thanks for watching. Here's the finished soap the next day. The scent's not holding real well, just a slight pineapple. I don't smell any of the coconut. Thanks for watching. Bye.